Hi everyone, so I'm back again today to just go over the Fashion C. I absolutely love the design of this phone, okay? It's one of the newer models that have come out. The Fashion C is, as I stated, by far my favorite design by CellAllure. It has a 6-inch screen, Android 8.1 operating system, 1 gig RAM, 16 gig storage, micro SD slot. It has the dual SIM cards, quad processing, dual camera, the front and the back, 4G connection. Comes with little accessories. So this is what the front of the box looks like. This is what the back of the box looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Make sure that that's opened. So excited. I really like this design. So this is how the packaging should look when you open it. I'm gonna go ahead and take the phone out. So this phone, the silicone is just a little bit different on it. So it has the closing part on it. It's a little bit thicker, which I like. So guys, my favorite design, look at this color. Look at that. I love the metallic kind of look in it with the blue to the purple. It's just amazing. It is unicorn season too. So this is, I just love this. Who wouldn't want to look at this all day? Me. I want to look at it all day. Love this phone. It comes with a screen protector as well. I'm going to go ahead and take the sticker off as to not disturbing. So this is a nice size screen here. Really like this screen. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's in the rest of the box. So the battery is already in the phone for this. So we're gonna go ahead. It comes with headphones, the charging cable, the adapter, warranty instructions, and a second screen protector. For some reason you break that one, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the phone. It's gonna vibrate. Nice big CellAllure on it. Guys, the back is just so nice. I really like this. It was a design here. You can get this phone on the Best Buy website or the CellAllure website. Good thing about this right now, if you get this phone on the Best Buy website, they are giving Sirius radio for 3 months. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but it is what's going on right now as I'm doing this video. So this is what it looks like, the blue screen. The charging cable is on the top. Then you have your power cords, the speaker on the bottom. It's a little bit thicker. I really like the feel of this in my phone. It's really nice size. I like the brightness of the screen. So it has vision settings that you can change the magnification. Talk back. So we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick go through. It runs on a GSM. Any GSM phone carrier would be great in the SIM-lock phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick run through as I stated. Skip it anyway. Okay, so it should load here in a second. Really like this phone. Purple is my favorite color too, so this will be a great phone. Also, if you have any girls that are in this unicorn phase that's going on, would be great. So this is the startup. Right now it's just one home screen. If you go down, you have all of your settings. I'm going to change the brightness just for a little bit. There you go. So it's really nice. Still loading. It has two, so you can add, take away 2 things there. Going to go ahead, hit the arrow for the rest of the apps. And this is the rest of the apps. So scroll. Really like this. Going to go to the settings here. So it's really nice. Upon start, and you have good 12.75 gigs left in your storage, which is really nice. Really nice. Okay. And that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the phone actually, so I can open it up and show you what the back looks like. So when you do that, just power off. Okay. Again, look at how beautiful the back is. Very nice.